Higher School of Engineering, Northern Arctic Federal University's high-profile research and training division. Its mission is to provide manpower, research and engineering support for implementing the development strategy of the Arctic zone of the Russian Federation, function as an innovative engineering research and training center for northwestern Russia, produce competitive learning resources, and streamline research and engineering projects so that they meet the goals of Russia's innovation-driven economy. Higher School of Engineering's current enrollment, including international, stands at 1,500 students. They are future engineers, highly qualified, with skills in research, project management, production management, and production operation in cold climate. Main majors include construction, technosphere safety, vehicles and process facilities operation, process machines and facilities, materials decorative design, forest harvesting and woodworking technologies, and design. The Higher School of Engineering consists of 10 departments. Department of Technosphere Safety. Technosphere safety students get employed by search and rescue units, fire departments, bodies in charge of fire safety supervision and fire prevention, fire hazardous facilities, production plants and insurance companies. The membership in Pomor SPAS, a student rescue team, allows students to gain and practice skills in emergency medicine and rescue work. The membership allows them to take part in search and rescue competitions at regional and federal levels. Department of Motor Roads and Construction Operations. The students of this department find employment at organizations that range from public authorities to organizations dealing with design, assembly, construction, road building, finance and credit, or expert appraisal. Department of Geologic and Foundation Engineering. This department provides training to building and construction students. It also engages in research and experimental development, providing engineering research consultancy and appraising site development projects. Department of Engineered Structures, Architecture and Graphics. This department equips students with skills for jobs at design, construction and assembly organizations and servicing and operating entities. It has established long-standing relations with major design and construction companies in the area, as well as with Russia's top-ranking schools, research institutes and design bureaus. Department of Materials Decorative Design and Treatment. Majors related to art and design provide students with hands-on skills in decorative treatment of materials, wood, stone, clay, metal, textiles and soft materials. This department does research into how new technologies can be developed and otherwise enhanced in order to support woodworking. It also explores folk trades and how their products could be made use of in decorative design or combined with present-day technologies. Department of Composite Materials and Environmental Engineering. This department prepares students for jobs at organizations dealing with design, construction and assembly operations at construction industry suppliers and environmental protection and inspection authorities. Department of Structural Mechanics and Resistance. This department equips students with the fundamental knowledge of mechanical interaction, material body balance and movement, stress-deformed state of framed structures under load, structural behavior and operation, structural layout calculation models, framework structural integrity, stiffness and stability analysis, the knowledge that the majority of dedicated engineering majors build on. Department of Engineering Technologies. The engineering technology students find jobs at companies that deal in machine engineering, woodworking, transportation and mining operations. Department of Forest Harvesting and Woodworking Technologies. The forest harvesting and woodworking students get employed as engineers at small or large-scale timber products manufacturers. Many of them are also employees of transportation or road maintenance companies or public authorities. Department of Transport and Handling Machinery and Logistics. This department equips students with skills for jobs at vehicle service and tuning stations, car dealers, vehicle certification and inspection centers, State Inspectorate for Traffic Safety, training and producing companies, and many others. Narfu Higher School of Engineering operates a number of laboratories and centers. Among them are Soil and Construction Materials Testing Laboratory, Construction and Finishing Materials Control Laboratory, Construction and Finishing Materials Fire Resistance Examination Laboratory, Timber Vehicles Laboratory, Interdepartmental Hydraulic and Pneumatic Control Laboratory, Geotechnical Engineering Laboratory, Research and Training Center Nanostructure Applications for Construction Materials Technology, Motor Vehicles Operation Training Center, Health and Safety Training Center. A dedicated civil engineering class is being hosted by Secondary School 14 in Arkhangelsk. It provides future enrollees with basic knowledge of construction industry. In 2017, the Higher School of Engineering set up its Museum of Geology that bears the name of Nikolai Laverov, a distinguished Russian geologist, Russian Academy of Sciences Vice President, Professor Emeritus at Narfu. The museum offers school students lectures, guided tours, meet the expert sessions, and ceremonial events. The learning process at the Higher School of Engineering goes beyond the limits of curricular and into the realms of full-fledged research. The staff members and the students tend to take an active part in projects and conferences in Russia, Sweden, Finland, Norway, among other countries. International cooperation seeks participation in cross-border research projects and the programs offered by the European Union and member countries of the Barents Euro-Arctic region. Another major focus is internationally recognized training programs. The upcoming years will see more students receiving joint degrees with foreign universities. Work is in process to elaborate, in cooperation with the University of Tromsø, a training program in cold climate construction. There is a plan to establish a UNESCO-supported chair of architectural heritage conservation. A dedicated program in restoration of architectural sites is being developed jointly with Narfu Higher School of Humanities, Social Sciences and Cross-Cultural Communication. Narfu Higher School of Engineering has established itself as a provider of the highest quality training. Being its staff member, student or graduate sounds prestigious. Indeed, the legacy the school took over from its predecessor universities, its educational and R&D activities, rank it as a source of manpower for the leading industries operating in the Russian Arctic zone and across the country.